Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Banking Basics. Today we're going to talk about something that frustrates many people, banking fees. The good news is that with some knowledge and planning, you can avoid most of these charges. One of the most common banking fees is the overdraft fee, which happens when you spend more money than you have in your account. Banks often charge $30 or more for this mistake. To avoid it, keep track of your balance, set up account alerts, or link your checking to a savings account for backup. Another common fee is ATM charges. If you use a machine outside your bank's network, you may pay $2 to $5 per withdrawal. To avoid this, use your bank's ATMs, withdraw cash less frequently, or choose a bank or credit union that reimburses ATM fees. Some banks charge monthly maintenance fees just to keep your account open. These fees can often be waived if you meet certain requirements, like maintaining a minimum balance, setting up direct deposit, or using your debit card regularly. Always ask about the conditions to avoid these fees when opening an account. Other fees you might run into include paper statement fees, foreign transaction fees, and early account closure fees. Most of these can be avoided by opting for electronic statements, choosing accounts with no international fees, and committing to keep your account open for at least a year. Reading the fine print is key. To sum up, banking fees can add up quickly, but most are avoidable with good habits. Monitor your balance, use in-network ATMs, meet account requirements, and read the details before signing up. By being proactive, you'll keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. This concludes our discussion about common banking fees. In the next lesson, we will learn about online and mobile banking. See you then.